Hello, my dear students. This is Shobna Sharma, faculty of Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today it is my first lecture for chapter number 3, that is Healthy Computer Practices. Welcome to our computer class. Now let's begin. In this chapter, we will learn correct ways while using a computer, computer safety rules, incorrect ways while using a computer, importance of taking care of health by exercises, and some different yoga exercises for hands, neck, eyes and shoulders. Now we will discuss every point accordingly. The first comes correct ways while using a computer. First point, while using a computer, we should not touch the power cable of the computer. A damaged power cable can give you electric shock and can cause injury. Second point, power cable should be well insulated. If you find any damaged in cable, then report to your elders. Children, both points are very important. First comes, we should not touch the power cable, and a damaged power cable can give us electric shock and we can cause injury. Second point, power cable should be well insulated, and if you find any damaged in cable, then we should always report to our elders. Next comes computer safety rules. First point, do not insert any object into any socket or outlet on the CPU, keyboard, printer and speakers. Second point, do not use water or detergent to clean the computer. Use a clean, dry and soft cloth only. We can use a liquid cleaner meant for cleaning computers. Children, both points are very important. The first comes that we should not insert any object like pencil or any pen into a socket or any outlet on the CPU, keyboard, printer or speakers. Second comes, we should not use water or detergent to clean the computer. We should always use a clean, dry and soft cloth only to clean a computer, or else we can use a liquid cleaner also, which is meant for cleaning the computer as shown in the picture. Next comes incorrect ways while using a computer. First comes, do not eat or drink near the computer. Second point, do not disturb others by playing loud music. Third point, do not use the computer while standing. Sit properly and the back should be straight. Fourth point, do not use the computer for more than 1 hour per day. Children, these points are very important. You have to be always careful while using a computer. First comes, we should not drink or eat anything near the computer. Second, we should not disturb others by playing loud music. Third, we should not use the computer while standing. We should always use the computer by sitting properly and the back should be straight. And the last point, Do not use the computer for more than 1 hour per day. Children, it is very dangerous for our health also. Now at last, this shows the complete picture of do's and don'ts while using the computer. First point, keep clean. Keep the computer and its nearby area clean. Second point, cover the computer when it is not in use. Third point, share equally. Take turns for using the keyboard and mouse. Give space to your classmates while using computers. Fourth point, keep correct posture. Keep your chair at proper height. Keep a proper distance from the monitor. Children, these are very important points which you every time follow while using a computer. Next comes what you should not do while using a computer. First point, do not eat or drink near the computer, which is very important. Second point, do not disturb others by playing loud music. Children, this is very important. And next, and with last point, keep correct posture. Children, this is also very important. We should maintain the proper distance between our eyes and between the monitor screen. Now it is the time for the homework. So today's homework is, dear parents, kindly go through the PDF file and help your ward to read the chapter carefully. Now at last, stay safe, stay at home, sanitize yourself, take care of your family and yourself, and do study in this lockdown period. Thank you.